Ty.
One down, one to go.
That's what I'm talking about. Let's get that truck.
Jess, you ready?
Get me in position. Look out!
What's going on?
I got brake checked hard. We'll get him. What the hell?
This guy's out of his mind.
There's something much bigger going on here. They wouldn't go this far for just a car.
What's the play?
New plan. Forget the tunnel. We get him before he reaches the city.
Are you guys seeing this?
Seeing and feeling.
Back up. They got back up.
I see them.
Take him out. These guys are tougher.
Freaking tanks is what they are.
They're going down either way.
Guys, more house cars headed your way.
We'll handle it.
Come on, knock them out, Ty. Guys, I'm hearing a lot of cop chatter. We got someone's attention.
Then let's get this done fast.
Get rid of this guy, Ty.
I think we lost the muscle. Mac?
Yep, that truck's all yours.
No way you can make it on the back. What's the plan, Jess?
I don't know yet. Get me closer.
Jess, I've got a really bad idea.
Mac?
Ladder on the side. Get up on this right.